In today's world, especially with the AI developing so fast, that the data plays a more and more important role. But data don't stay in one location. They need to distribute it in multiple locations. That gives a huge pressure to the infrastructure. How can we support this data transportation? So we want to have this more of the dynamic fit to the needs infrastructure that we can provide to move the data around.
With the increasing number of wireless devices these days, we are running out of space to install new base stations, but there's an opportunity here. The unmanned aerial vehicles, we can leverage those vehicles for providing coverage over urban and suburban areas. So to alleviate certain amount of strain on the system itself, we could leverage these devices as aerial radio units. Realistically, you need multiple drones. The solution that we are proposing, it fills in that gap.
They are supposed to work seamlessly with communicating with each other, relaying information back and forth, so there is quite a bit of communication also goes into them.
So how can we support this in a green way, in a dynamic way? So that's our motivation of this, having a UAV swarm, being able to set up the ground and air communications while still preserving the energy consumption.